So what this channel is going to be dedicated towards is obviously real estate, but I want to generate at least the initial appeal to real estate investors who haven't even purchased their first property. I want to show the degenerate ways that you can go about, let's say, using Etsy, eBay, other e-commerce platforms to buy your first property. Not only that, some of the degenerate ways we go about finding properties. For example, one of the first things I want to produce is a course that goes over the crazy way to hack Uber and Lyft to generate $5,000 to $10,000 a month working with real estate investors simply by driving for Uber. It is crazy the stuff that you can do on that side of things. So I wanted to create more or less a difference between YouTube and my Instagram. So I think Instagram is going to be more the day-to-day activities and issues that we run into, whereas the YouTube side of things are going to be more not necessarily spontaneous, but long courses, step-by-step guides, and at least in the initial beginning, more dedicated towards how to buy your first real estate property, or your first investment property, I should say. So that's how I want to differentiate, at least right now, between the two. And then moving forward, maybe I'll go into more lengthy step-by-step ways to flip a property on the YouTube channel, and also maybe go into the process of what it takes to do a flip, a renovation, and other things along that line that showcase the property being renovated from start to finish, and what other investors are doing as well with assuming certain loans and creative finance routes. I want to create a nice separation between the two is what I'm saying. So Instagram, feel free to follow me. It's hello Matty Val. I may change that down the road, but right now it's hello Matty Val, just hello without the H. And that's going to give you a good day-to-day operations for us. Whereas the YouTube channel, definitely like, subscribe, because I want to create all kinds of degenerate ways for you to, well, get your first investment property. Not only that, then stack the next couple right after that, because that's really what you're here for, is how to get into real estate investing. And I'm excited to bring you along with me because it's hard taking that first step. So let me help guide you. If this is something that interests you, like and subscribe. That way you can be notified by everything that I produce. Looking forward to the future, and if there's anything in particular you're looking for, comment below, let me know, because I need content ideas. I'll more or less create a video dedicated just for you, because who knows, maybe in helping you, I can also help a couple others as well. So keep that in mind. I do plan on doing podcasts here and there, maybe like a podcast style, I should say, but all things are due to come. As for right now, I just have to get started. I'm not necessarily have been procrastinating. I am absolutely terrified of this camera. So that's what I'm here to do. Get over my fears and to produce some great content for you. So again, like, subscribe, click the little bell icon. I have no idea, but stay tuned for more content to come your way. Catch you soon. Matty Val out.